Here's problem 8 from the 2005 AMC 8. Suppose m and n are positive odd integers. Which of the following must also be an odd integer? The choices are A. m plus 3n, B. 3 meters minus n, C. 3 meters squared plus 3n squared, D. The quantity nm plus 3 squared, and E. 3 meters n. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key idea is the parity rules. Odd plus odd is even. Odd minus odd is even. And odd times odd is odd. Also, an odd number squared stays odd, while an even number squared stays even. Now check each choice. A. m plus 3n is odd plus odd, which is even. B. 3 meters minus n is odd minus odd, which is even. C. 3 meters squared plus 3n squared is odd plus odd, which is even. D. nm plus 3 is odd plus odd, which is even. And even squared is still even. Only choice E works. 3 times m times n is odd times odd times odd, which is odd. So the answer is 3 meters n. Choice E.